Alright guys, so in this particular video I'm going to show you on how I got the mockup from and how I usually get my design resources from, okay, and how you can also download the resources for the for this particular tutorial. Okay, so this is www.freepik.com. This is a free site that you can come as a designer. Okay, so when you type in www.freepik.com, it is going to take you to this particular site. You can just log in with your Google or your email account. Okay, so we have vectors, so let me click on the vectors for you to have a look at it. So you have vectors like this. We have images, okay, vectors for wedding invitations, and so within the vectors we also have photos. Okay, so apart from the vectors we have photos as well. Okay, so when it comes to photos, that means you only need images. Okay, images. So these are images. Now you see this thing which looks like an icon or an orange or yellow icon or gold icon here. That means that the resources or that particular photo is paid, is a premium, so you have to pay before you can download. Okay, so this you have to pay, this you have to pay, but for this ones, this is an advert. So for this yellow and blue you have to download for free. Okay, you have to download this for free, but this one has to be paid. So if you need background, you can just come to the search button and type background, or you see background here, or black background, any background, Islamic background. Okay, any background that you need which is under photos, so you just go through and then download for your project. Okay, for your project. And then also we have PSD. Now the PSD is the mockups, the edited ones that you can just edit. Okay, so if you look at this particular text, okay, so when you click on it, let's say I want to download this because it is for free. So this is a text, so you just come to download. It tells you that it is, the file type is in PSD and at the same time JPEG. Okay, so if you need it, you just have to click on the download over here and it will start downloading. So I'm going back now. Actually we need a PSD mockup. So the mockup that you need, then you come and type maybe brochure. So if you need a brochure, you type brochure mockup. Okay, mockup, brochure mockups. So once you start typing, it will come maybe threefold brochure mockup, anyhow you want it. So let me pick brochure mockup. So once I click on brochure mockup, you are going to get samples of brochures, okay, like this, either three folds or yes. So we're going to get, this is a premium, this is free version. If you need something like this, you can download. All right, this is a premium, so you cannot download them. Okay, so you just have to go through this one, you can download. Okay, and then you use it for free. Okay, so if you want, let me add three folds like this, three-fold mockup. So once you add it, you're going to get something like this. So you just have to go through and then download it if you really like. Okay, download. All right, good. And then also one more thing, if I also need a brochure, so just come here and say brochure mockup. Okay, brochure mockup. So you just have to click on brochure mockup. Just go to Google and search for it, brochure mockup, just like that. And then you go through, you are going to give you the site. So this is a site that you can visit and download. So we know of Freepik, and this is another site that you can also visit. This is another site. So this is the site that I got the mockup from. Okay, so it says mockup tree. So you just search, click on this particular 95 plus best free mockup, brochure mockup of 2022. Okay, so we're going to take you to this site. Okay, mockup tree. Then you go through the mockups that you really like. Okay, So this is particularly a brochure. So you go through. If you like this, you download them. If you like this, you download them for free. Okay, you just have to download them for free. Okay, so just have to take your time. So this is the mock-up. So you click over here. Okay, close it. It's going to pop up for you, and then you can download. Okay, so let's take them. It says grade A4. So this is the mock-up. Okay, so if I want to download, click on this one, free download, and it will download in a form of PSD application, Photoshop. You go your way. That's it. So that's it. That is how I downloaded my mockups. So just head on to Google and then search for it. Okay, just search for it. You're going to get a lot of them, so you can just go through. If you need this, just have to click, and then if you also like this, okay, so this is the ones that, so let's search for this particular site. So we click on it. I'm going to get a lot of mockups. Okay, so here is it. If you need this, go ahead and click on it. If you like this too, go ahead. If you like this as well, you go ahead and click on it, and then you can just, after that, you can just place it on this particular mockup to tell the client that indeed this is how the work going to be when they print it. Okay, yes, it's very nice. Okay, that's it. So I think this will be the end. Then the last one is that I will give you the resources. Okay, so I said that this is how you download the resources. I have the fonts, I have the images. So the fonts, as I said, we have the Heading Pro, we have the Monstrat, and then we have the Pokésky. Then the next one is we have the images. Okay, so I've given you a lot of images that you can also get them from. And then this is the mockup. Okay, so this is the mockup that I'm talking about. So you just have to once you click on it, it's going to take you to this particular conference flyer where you can click on this and then download. Okay, or you can click on this one and then download. If you can, when you download, it will be in the form of zip map. When I say zip map, it will be in the form of it will be in the form of a zip map where you have to extract, okay, to your desktop. Okay, so you have to take your time and then do that. So let me see you. I wish you all the best.